My father used to say, don't raise your voice, improve your argument. This is the title page of the story. You can see the name of the story is The Magic Key. We can see two children over here, Biff and Chip. Chip is wearing a green color of shirt and he's looking at something. And Biff's eyes are closed and she's also looking at something. She's wearing a red color of shirt. She's holding something in her hands. What's that? It looks like a key. Oh, it's a yellow color of key, golden or yellow color of key, and it's glowing. It means it has something to do with a key. Oh, let's find out further in the story. Let's move on to page number 1. In this picture we can see Chip is sitting on his bed and there is a stuffed toy, a cat, who is beside him and he's looking at the box, which is looking strange because something is glowing inside it. You can see a yellow color of study lamp, a bedside table, a decoration piece. Chip looked at the box. It's magic, he said. Chip ran into Biff's room. Biff, he called, look at the box. Biff is sleeping on her bed. And she is also looking at the box. There are some stuffed toys which she has kept on beside her. There are some stuffed toys sleeping along with her. Biff is wearing an orange color of night suit and Chip is wearing a green color of night suit. As they opened the box, they found a key. It was a golden color of key. It was glowing. Biff picked up the key and the magic began. As Biff took the key in her hands, the magic began. Biff and Chip got smaller and smaller and smaller, and all the things besides them, their shoes, their bed, a pencil, a pen, the old things seemed to be bigger because they got smaller. The things were of the same size, the things were small, but Biff and Chip got more smaller and smaller. Biff and Chip looked all around the room. Everything went big because they had become small. Look at my big slippers. There was a pencil which was lying there. It had become so long. There was a pin with hold a pin in her hand. The pin had become so big and smaller. Chip picked up a pencil which was of blue color. He said, look at this big pencil. But the pencil was of the same size. Chip had become smaller. So the pencil was of the same size, the usual size. But Chip, as he had become smaller, it seemed to be big. So look at this big pencil, Chip said. And Biff said, oh my God, look at this big pen. The pen was very small, but as Biff had become more small, so the pen seemed to be big. In their room, there was a little toy house. The children looked at the house. They came near. The windows were glowing. Chip looked at the window. It's magic, it's glowing, he said. They went near the house. As the windows were glowing, the children Biff and Chip went to the little house. They looked inside the window. They could see a table, dining table, some chairs, and a candle stand. You can see some paintings or sceneries. Biff and Chip looked through the window. Biff went to the door. There was a blue color of door. Biff went to the door. She pushed and pushed, but she couldn't get in. Chip ran to the window. He called and called, but he couldn't get in. Something was coming. Chip picked up the pin. It was the shadow of a big huge thing. Oh no, it is a mouse. As the mouse saw them, he ran away. It was a little mouse. Oh my God, they got scared of this little mouse. The key began to glow. It was time to go. The children got bigger and bigger and bigger. And they returned back home. What an adventure, said Biff and Chip. Wow, it's magic. What an adventure. They all enjoyed. If you like my videos, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon.